Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Today I'm going to show you the most powerful AI article writer auto-blogging set and forget it WordPress plugin that's powered by ChatGPT. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over my shoulder and literally show you a live site that we have set up that uses our WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, and you're going to see proof that our plugin, that's a WordPress plugin, does what we say it does, okay? I can tell you this, I've been doing this since 2006, 2007, and there is a lot of garbage out there, a lot of stuff that looks like a real nice shiny object on the outside, but when you start using these tools, they're garbage, okay? Plain off garbage. Our plugin has been around for over 4 years. We keep updating it, but I'm gonna show you proof. So basically, just like how Frank Kern always tells people, hey, you want to make more money online? Actually, the product or service that you're selling, show that it actually does what it says. So I'm going to show you. So here's a live site. Okay, this is all about dog training, dogtraining.com, and I'll show you all this stuff. But here it is. The site is set up. The more time you spend on your website to make it look good and user-friendly, it will do better. Okay, so this is our site here. This is actually really a live site that actually builds emails, all that kind of stuff. We started this, I believe, on the March 21st of 2025. The site was set up before that, but nothing was going on with it. But we set up posting with the AI article writer autoblogging set and forget it. We set it up, I believe, I'll show you here in a minute, on the March 21st of 2025. So here's the site. Perfect site, has social media, all this is all real, okay? So you want to make sure everything's all real. You have all your right pages here, all right? Contact, about, success story, and then here's the topics that we're talking about, okay? You can see all that. Here's the blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you how it works, basically, and then I'm going to show you stats. So let me go through here. Okay, this is the place right here. Once you have the plugin running, this is where you set up different categories of what you're going to do, okay? So the next category I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here, and these are my categories here. I already have puppy training running in the background, so I'm just going to copy this right here. So it's behavioral dog training, okay? So we're going to go over here, and we're going to click on Add New Campaign. So now we're going to go up here. That's all I'm going to paste in there. Whoops, that's not what I'm pasting. So let's go back over here, and we're going to copy this right here, and we're going to paste it here. Okay, so we got that. I want it to be published. Okay, now we're going to find that category right here, behavioral dog training. So we got it right there. I'm just going to leave it on every minute so you guys can see how this works. But what I would do is, the way I'm doing it with my other one, I want one blog post to be written a day. Okay, so basically I have 4 categories, so basically 4 articles are going to go out every single day once I have this all set up. I want the article to be around 2,000 words, so I'm just going to put 2,000. I want this to be English, but you can do it in I think it's in 27 different languages, but actually it's 39, so 39 different languages. The format, you can choose any one that you want here. I'm just going to do educational. So let's find that on here. Educational here. This is teaching people about dog training. I'm just going to do educational again here. So that's how I'm going to set it up. These are extremely important. You want it to be SEO optimized. So we've done the hard work for you. We put the prompts behind the scene that you can't see. And this will allow your article to rank in the search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other ones a lot easier, okay? Then you want to have tags added, so you do that. You want to have Q&As added, FAQs, and then you want to have a generated conclusion. All this is extremely important to keep people on your page, not to mention other SEO ways that will help your posts get ranked better, okay? And I'm going to show you that too as time goes on. I'm going to show you, not in this one, I'm going to show you on Google. I'm going to show you these posts that we're having automatically set up and posting, that they're actually ranking on first page in the number 1, 2, and 3 spots of Google. Okay, so now what I want to do is ours. A lot of other ones don't do this. Okay, so images, we're just going to do. Let's just do 4 images. I'm just going to use Pixabay, but we can actually use ChatGPT 4 basically ChatGPT, but basically it's using the 2 versions that they have right now. Soon we'll be adding the newest version, the 4.0 image generation, but the ones that we have in there right now are doing very, very well, okay? So we'll have that set up. Another thing that you want to do is you want to check this right here, add YouTube video, okay? You can do it at the end or the top. I always put it on the top of the page because that gets people's attention right away to get them to stay on your website, okay? So literally we have everything set up here. This is the category, this is the topic, then this is the category, and then right here we want it to be every 24 hours, but I'm going to do every minute so you guys can see it here in just a sec because I'm going to show you a whole bunch of things. So now what we're going to do is we got everything set up right, and now we're going to click schedule right here, schedule article. Now we've got this set up, so we come back over here, and it should show 2. So this is the one I already have set up. It's not 54 that it's gone. I was doing testing, but I'm going to show you right here. If we go back over here, if we scroll down, you can see that we actually started posting on basically March 21st, 2025, 11:01 a.m. Okay, so you can see this is real. I haven't done anything to it. These are real articles. You can see the tags right there. You can see the categories. You can see everything right there. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. Okay, so what we're going to do is just let that run for a little bit, and then we come basically over here. Okay, and then all we have to do is refresh it, and once it's ready, we're going to see a different one than this image right here, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you the stats right here. So you might look at it right now and you might go, oh, well, that's no big deal and stuff like that because I see 56 seconds. That's all they're staying on this. But I want you to look at all this here. Returning customers, 5%, direct, 60% of total traffic, okay? That means people keep coming back for more. Excuse me. And then original, organic social, that's almost at 50%. So you can see right here, okay? You can see right here how the site's growing. You can see right here the different colors. Orange is referral. Unassigned is basically this color right here. And then organic search is the blue right here, 9.2%. And then organic social right here is 26.7% of making this video. And then right here, direct, this is people just keep coming back to the site. That's 60%. So what that means is people like the content on the site and they keep coming back. So this is just the beginning. So these numbers that you see right here, yeah, they're not impressive right now, 56 seconds, okay? Because that's not a long enough time. But a lot of that is because we've been doing a lot of testing and not on pages long. And so that's kind of skewed things. But like I said, I'm going to show you proof because like I said, I'm going to show you this really works. So we're just going to keep scrolling down and you can see how it's growing. Here it is right here. Search traffic over the last 28 days. Obviously it hasn't been 28 days because we just started. So they just put that there because we have it set up here on 28 days because you can do 7, 14, 28, and 90 days, okay? But it's just automatically set on 28. So you can see right here that this has a total impressions of 88, okay? So it's grown by 114.6%, okay? So just one second, let me get a drink of water here. All right, total clicks. We have 13. So since we started, we've grown by 1,200%. So you can see the power of that as this keeps going on. And I'm going to keep showing you as the days and weeks go on over this next year. And I'm going to keep doing it constantly because I'm going to keep showing people how powerful this plugin is just by showing you, not by trying to talk you into it that it's powerful, by actually showing you that it's great, okay? Unique visitors from search, it's 11, and it's gone up 120%. So you can see the growth right here. Here's all this. Like I said, this is a live site. You can see it all right here, okay? This is real. Then you can come down here. You can see new visitors right here. You can see visits per visitor. You can see right here pages per visit. You can see down here total page views. Okay, I mean, look at this. It's grown by almost 600% right there. This one right here, this will change in time, but this says 0% right now. You can see this has grown by almost 100%. You can see this number has grown by over 1,000%. Okay, and then it shows you, you know, the different cities that are the most visited. You can see them right here, Roanoke, Ashburn, and Dublin, okay? And then you can see right here, top content by page views, okay? So you can see them right here. These are the most visited pages right now. Then you can come over here and see these. Like I said, this is all new, so you're going to see some of the partial data. It's not telling everything because it's new, All right. Here's the keywords right here that it's ranking for. Okay. So it's already started ranking for these keywords. All right. Now here's more information here. This shows how long people have stayed there. Okay. And then if you scroll down here, you can actually see, you can see how fast the site's loading up. And I'm going to show you even more how fast it's loading up. Okay. This site's loaded up fast. And I'm going to show you in another video as I'm going through all this stuff, how to make sure your WordPress website loads up fast. This is still goodness like that. Every once in a while it goes to the green, but I'm going to show you in another section here how fast it really is loading. So you can see it's all good here. All right. So each time I make these videos, I'm going to show you basically the new stats so you can actually see it for yourself. Once you get the WordPress plugin yourself, My Content Creator Pro, the Elite, then you'll be able to start seeing traffic like this growing over time. And you can start building your email list. You can start selling products and services and all that good stuff with all your websites. Because like I said, you can use this on more than one website. You can even use this if you want on your clients' websites. But one thing that you want to do is if you use it on clients' websites is you're going to want them to get an OpenAI API key so they're using their own, okay? So let me go over here now. So we're going to come over here. And let's come right here. And what you're going to notice is we're just going to refresh this right here. And we should have some new articles. So here we go here. So we've got two new ones. So now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to switch something up. So let me just close this right here. So we're going to go back over here and then we're going to edit this one right here. So I'm just going to put this back and I'm going to change this because I was doing it every minute so you guys could see it. So now we're going to go to every 24 hours. So just make sure you do that. Don't leave it on every minute because that's just more for testing, but I just wanted to show you guys today. So there it is. It's set up there. So if we just go back over here, scroll down here, and let's see, we go right here, and then you see our campaigns now. So now this from the next time I make the video, I'm going to show you how many have posted on there. And this is going to be automatic just like this other one. So we can set it and forget it, not worry about it anymore, and allow the AI writer set and forget it, do it on its own with this powerful WordPress plugin. It's powered by ChatGPT, okay? So now what we're going to do is, now I'll just show you this right here. This is all my categories. There's categories and subcategories. I have 4 categories, and then I have 4 different subcategories under each one. And I'll go in more detail with that for you guys later so you can see. So I already went through the stats right here. Okay. I already showed you right here. Now, if we refresh this, obviously we're going to see ones that were just published today. So right there, we'll see it right there. That's April 1st right there. So we see all that there. We see that the new ones are there. There's the 2 ones there. So we got the new ones there. All right. So now we got that taken care of. So we got that running now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the articles, okay? So here they are. Here's the one up here. So we're just going to scroll here. Essential guidelines for effective behavioral dog training. Then we have a video right here that goes with dog training to teach you and your readers what they want to see. Here's the content right here, the 2,000 word article. You can see that how great it is, okay? The images and all that. You can see right here. You can see the information. You can see a conclusion right here. Okay, you see all that right there. Okay, so we got everything that the reader needs to find on the topic that they're going with. Okay, so let me show you the next one right here. So we got that one right here. So we're gonna go on the next one right here. And if you scroll right here, this is another one that has the video at the top. This is a YouTube short, and it just goes down here. And it has all the information right here, okay? 2,000 word article, the FAQ right there, the about puppy training, all that. And then there's the conclusion. So this plugin does exactly what it says because I'm showing you right here. It gets traffic. Yes, this is in a lower number because it's going to be no website in the beginning is going to have a ton of traffic, okay? The site's been only going since the 22nd of March, 2025. So it's not going to have a lot of big numbers, but I just want to show you that it's real. You get traffic and you see the numbers, it's climbing, and you see these are good. These are not just small numbers, over 100%, almost, or 1,200%, 120%. So if you would like, okay, to get access to this WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, the Elite, okay, there's going to be a link below this video, okay? You can actually save $50, okay? There's a promo code. This is the website right here. So just click on the link and it will take you right over to this page. If you want to watch more about, what the plugin does, because it does way more than just the auto blogging with the AI writer that's powered by ChatGPT, okay? This WordPress plugin, okay? But all you do, most likely all you have to do is just click yes, and it will automatically add the 50% or the $50 off, okay? But if not, you just take this promo code right here, 50 off. And then you come here and you click on that. Yes, I want it. All right. And if it doesn't show up, you just go like this and you just type in 50 off. Whoops. And that's it. And then you say $50 off. Okay. And you can use PayPal, you can use credit card, you can use Google Pay, all that good stuff here. And that is it. And if you ever have any kind of questions, all you do is just come over here, click on support on the contact us, click right here. It'll take you to this page. You submit a ticket, and then you find My Content Creator Pro right here, and then you tell us what your question is. It is that simple. So if you want to get access to this powerful WordPress plugin that is an AI writer, okay, that's powered by ChatGPT, that you can set it and forget it, then go to the link below today and get your site set on autopilot. Set and forget it, and allow yourself to grow unlimited traffic, grow your list on autopilot, and start selling products and services and start making money online on autopilot with Set and Forget It, powered by ChatGPT AI writer. Okay? Thanks again. This is Chat Pornova. And again, make sure you spend some time on here because there are so many different features. I'm not going over all of them. This is more of just a thing talking about the AI writer Set and Forget It, powered by ChatGPT WordPress plugin. But in the next videos, I'm going to go through a whole bunch of the features and show you everything that it does. So thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.